Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Abercrombie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the notification location settings section. And if you want to get all push notifications to stay in the know on the app's recent product drops and offers, tap on this second button. Then you should allow the app to have access to your notifications, so click on allow. And if you want to turn on location services to find the closest stores, tap on the other button, and then you should go to your settings to allow the application to have access to your location. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.